time, right? Okay, so box C20 is gasoline. If you found that the car was too expensive and you just, well, I'll talk about that later actually. Gasoline, how much does gasoline cost? This depends on your car actually. The bigger your car, yeah, it depends, Faison, how much you're driving in your car. So say you're gonna work at Hy-Vee and you're like, I'm just gonna walk there. Then you're not spending that much money on gas. But say you work in St. Paul, that's gonna be a lot more money to travel there. The older your car, the more gas the car uses. Newer cars do a better job at using less gas. And the bigger your car, the more gas your car uses. So let's see what happens when I click here. We're just gonna look at some cars. So here's an example. So here's an example of like a big car, the Ford Fusion. It costs $1,382 every year to fill that up. Oh, it's a hybrid though, sorry. Here's a car. These are small cars, my bad. It was just the angle. So like this car doesn't run on electricity and it costs $2,000 every year to fill it with gas. This car runs partly on electricity. It costs $1,300. So I clicked on the picture. Let's calculate some fuel costs. So you would have to type in some information like miles per gallon. That's how far your car will travel per gallon. So we'll just do average 30. How many miles do you drive a month? Most people drive 1,000 miles in a month. How many days of the week are you driving? Most people drive almost every day of the week. Gallon per gas, right now gas is cheap. Gas is about $2.50. Okay, so let's see. They say every month, if you're driving 1,000 miles every month, which is quite a bit actually, maybe we should do a little less, or 700, sorry. Gasoline every month is gonna be $58. Okay, you'll have to fill up your gas tank 3 times. So let's type in $58 into box C20. Everyone, we're just gonna do the same here. 58, everyone's will be the same. Once you type 58 in box C20, tell me yes. And we just have one more left. You guys are doing great. And I think you're learning a lot about what it means to be adult. And knowing this information is gonna help you a lot in life.